same as you, I'm also learning English, and I'm here to tell you how you can do visualizations to make your journey more faster, to get your English fluency more faster. Because I'm doing this, and I start, when I start doing this, I'm feeling more familiar and more fluent in English. So a lot of people are saying that learning a new language is just about reading, writing, speaking, listening, all four fundamental things. I know, I agree with them also, that these four things are very, very, even these mandatory to learn a new language. But these all are just physical actions that we should take to learn a new language. But what about our our mental actions? If you are, just listen, if you are talking to a native English speaker, that time he never ever stuck somewhere, lag somewhere, he's never forgetting his words that he want to say to you, never ever happen this, because he's subconsciously a English native English speaker. He know that subconsciously he's a native English speaker, but we are not subconsciously. We spent over 20 years, 17 years, 25 years in Hindi environment, in another language environment, where we were not talking in English, we were not familiar and surrounded by English people. Okay, so now this is the time when we are pushing ourselves, we are pushing ourselves to think and change our entire thought process in English. So how can it is easy thing? This is not. This is very, very hard thing, and we should, we have to take it as a hard things. Even that time we will take action. That more important. So I know that if you are learning English, you all are doing reading, writing, speaking, listening, all these four fundamental things you are practicing. If you are not practicing, I think you are not passionate. You are not having burning desire. After this video, you will get that. So watch this video till the end. If you are new here, my name is Rahul. I'm here sharing my life experiences, and also I'm here to improve my English communication. I'm also like you all are, you are learning English. I'm also learning English. So hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and stay tuned, and just be a fluent English speaker with me. So we have to change our subconscious mind. We have to change our beliefs that not relevant in English. Okay, so visualization is the very, very powerful thing. If you are doing this thing, if you will do these things, you definitely will more motivate. You will become more fluent in English. I am doing these things, and I know that how much powerful this is. So you don't need to do a big things. You just sit somewhere. Now I'm telling you that how you can do visualizations every day. I'm doing every day. I'm making videos every day because I'm passionate about English. I'm passionate to learn this language. That's why. If you are not passionate, you will not be consistent in something. Whether you are working or reading or learning a new thing. I'm reading books every day. I'm doing exercise every day. I'm doing visualization every day. I'm doing meditation every day because I'm passionate to improve myself. I'm passionate to learn this language. I'm passionate to do something big in my life. So you have to be passionate about your life. Okay, so now here's the thing. Here's the step-by-step thing that you can do to do visualization every day for your English speaking. Okay, for your English language. So number one thing that you can do, just sit somewhere, whether on your bed or like chair. Usually I'm sitting on chair. Sometimes I'm on my bed to do visualization. And close your eyes. After when you close your eyes, just try to be aware of your body. Just do this now. Just do this now. Just sit somewhere. Okay, close your eyes and try to be aware of all your body parts and try to make them relaxed. When you make them relaxed, try to focus on your breathing. I know that it's not very easy to focus on one thing at a time, but when you do this, you definitely will grab something. So just focus on your breathing. After when you start focusing on your breathing, try to see the scene that you want, that you will get when you become fluent English speaker. Number second thing, try to see that what you will do after when you get this fluency. And when you do this, just try to feel your voice, what you are doing, what you are saying to people in English with your fluency. Continuously doing this, and you should have a paragraph or a speech that you already fluent in that. If you have a paragraph or a speech that you are fluent, just try to say this speech in your brain, in your mind, while you are doing visualization, while you are closing your eyes. Just try to speak that words so fluent. When you seeing yourself, when you are watching yourself in your mind as a fluent English speaker, just try to feel that thing and try to be happy at that time, and try to repeat these things that I said again and again and again. If you have any kind of noises and any kind of disturbance in your place, that time you can use earbuds, earphones. Just try to speak fluent in your mind. Do this, guys. I need to watch my. And number 3 thing is, try to see all those people, your family member, your friends, and your loved one, your people. Try to see your people that they are admiring you, they are appreciating you for your English. Just feel them. If you have toxic people or negative people in your life, try to change them. Try to watch that they are changing cause of your English. Reason is English, because you are fluent, you already a fluent English speaker. If you do this, you start feeling more confidence, start feeling more motivation in your body. And another thing, just do these things. This is everything. I know that some of you might be thinking that, Rahul, this is bullshit. I don't want to do this because I'm watching tons of videos about it, and this is not happening in my life. My friend, I want to tell you that this is not just one day thing, because you subconsciously are not an English speaker, a fluent English speaker. And when you will do this visualization thing for the first time, your mind want to stop that thing. Your mind don't want to do that thing. But if you push yourself to do that thing, to visualize your dream life that you will get after when you get the fluency, And English is your career, guys. If you are learning English, you are here. I know that you are learning English, and when you learn this language, you definitely will get good career, good job, and good opportunities in your life, definitely. So do these all things that I mentioned this video, and I'm mentioning in all my videos. If you are watching till now, I know that you are passionate, because you are watching till now and you have patience in yourself. A lot of people are failing because why they are failing, why they are failed, because they are not passionate, they are not having good patience in themselves. You are patient, you have patience in yourself, that's why you are watching till now. And I'm always saying that watch a video till the end, that time you will grab something. Just be calm, just be relaxed, guys, and watch videos till the end, okay, and try to implement them. I'm making videos. I can make videos in Hindi, but I'm making videos in English. Even I'm not fluent, but I'm making videos in English because I want to be fluent. I want to, reprogram my subconscious mind that I'm a fluent English speaker. Okay, so you have to do these things. Just be passionate, and if you are watching till now, this means a lot, guys. And just hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. I'll meet you in the next video for sure. Thank you so much. You can connect with me on my Instagram also. Bye.